If you don't have the laundry hookups or the floor space for a traditional dryer, you might want to consider a portable dryer. They're designed to easily fit into compact spaces, plug into standard outlets, and offer convenience without a complex installation. The average capacity of a portable dryer falls between 2.5 and 3.5 cubic feet, which isn't enough room to wash a queen-sized comforter, so they're most suitable for individuals, couples, or small families managing moderate laundry loads. To help you find the right model, we've listed the top 5 best portable dryers and their key features, plus the things you need to consider to help you choose the best one for you. Links to all products mentioned in the video are in the description below, so let's get started. Number 5. Costway Compact Laundry Dryer. The Costway Compact Laundry Dryer is a versatile and space-saving solution for quickly drying your clothes, sheets, or small laundry loads. Designed with a 1.5 cubic foot capacity, it can handle up to 10 pounds of clothing, though for optimal drying results, it's recommended to limit loads to 5.5 pounds at a time. This compact dryer features a durable stainless steel tub and a convenient see-through window, allowing you to monitor your laundry as it dries. Its 4 drying modes, air dry, cool, warm, and hot, offer flexibility to suit different fabrics and load sizes. The air dry function refreshes clothes using cool air for 0 to 80 minutes, while the cool mode gently lowers the temperature in 0 to 20 minutes. The warm mode, running 30 to 120 minutes, efficiently dries items while helping reduce wrinkles, and the hot mode, lasting 120 to 200 minutes, is ideal for bulky or large loads. The dryer also includes an anti-wrinkle function to minimize creases, ensuring clothes come out ready to wear. Thanks to its minimal noise design, it operates quietly, making it suitable for apartments, dorms, or shared spaces. Its compact form allows it to be freestanding for portable use, or mounted on a wall to free up valuable counter or floor space, though the mounting bracket is sold separately. The dryer includes practical accessories like an exhaust connector, hanging brackets, and screws for installation. While the lint filter can be somewhat challenging to clean, and drying times may be longer for heavier loads, the Costway Compact Laundry Dryer remains a highly convenient option for small spaces, travel, or temporary setups. With its combination of multiple drying modes, quiet operation, and sturdy construction, it offers a reliable, space-efficient solution for keeping laundry fresh and dry without occupying much room. Number 4. Whirlpool Compact Electric Vented Dryer. The Whirlpool Compact Electric Vented Dryer is a practical and reliable solution for small spaces, offering solid performance and thoughtful features that make laundry convenient. With a 3.4 cubic foot capacity, it can handle a queen-sized flannel sheet, pillowcase, and a few smaller items in about an hour, drying them evenly while minimizing wrinkles, a process that can be enhanced further with wool dryer balls or dryer sheets. While it offers fewer heat settings than some competitors, its AccuDry sensor system automatically monitors moisture levels to prevent over-drying and protect fabrics, and you still get time dry and air dry options for flexibility. The dryer's build quality stands out, featuring a durable Dura-White drum resistant to chipping, rust, and abrasion, along with a side swing door for easy loading and unloading, and a conveniently placed interior lint screen for smooth operation. Its simple rotary controls make operation intuitive, with 3 specialized cycles and 2 temperature settings that allow basic customization depending on garment type. At 31 by 23.88 by 20.75 inches, this compact 120-volt dryer is adaptable to apartment or small space installations, and its vented design ensures efficient airflow and drying performance. While it is typically priced around $500 more than other compact models, and slightly larger than the GED SKP 333 ECWW Spacemaker, the Whirlpool edges out its competitor in reliability and drying consistency, making it a value-packed option for those who want a semi-permanent solution without sacrificing performance. End-of-cycle alerts further improve convenience, letting you remove clothes promptly. For anyone seeking a compact yet capable dryer that balances space efficiency with dependable drying, The Whirlpool Compact Electric Vented Dryer delivers strong performance and practical features, making it a smart alternative to a full-sized traditional dryer. Number 3. Black Plus Decker Compact Dryer. The Black Plus Decker Compact Dryer is a versatile and reliable choice for small space living, combining the convenience of a portable unit with thoughtful features typically found in larger machines. Its 3.5 cubic foot stainless steel drum, the largest in its class, handles up to 13.2 pounds of laundry per load while remaining compact enough to fit in apartments, condos, or smaller laundry areas. Weighing just under 50 pounds, it can sit on the floor or stack with a compatible washer, and it plugs into a standard 120-volt outlet, making installation straightforward. This model offers 4 drying settings: air dry, cool, warm, and hot, giving users flexibility to handle everything from delicate garments to thick towels, while sensor dry measures moisture levels to avoid over-drying and protect fabrics. Despite its compact size, the Black Plus Decker Dryer operates quietly and includes convenient handles for easy maneuvering, plus a front-loading transparent lid for monitoring cycles. The vented system supports a standard 4-inch dryer hose, and reusable lint and exhaust filters make maintenance simple. Drying times range from 30 to 200 minutes, depending on load size and settings, with higher heat options speeding up heavier loads. While some users may notice that it warms up the room slightly, the unit's efficiency, durability, and reliable brand reputation outweigh this minor drawback. Safety features, including overheat protection and adjustable leveling legs, ensure worry-free operation. Overall, the Black Plus Decker Compact Dryer is an excellent investment for anyone seeking a practical, durable, and efficient solution for small space laundry, delivering performance and convenience that rivals larger units without sacrificing portability or ease of use. Number 2. Yuhomi Portable Clothes Dryer. The Yuhomi CD6 Portable Clothes Dryer is an ideal solution for those seeking a compact, budget-friendly laundry option without sacrificing performance or flexibility. Designed to handle up to 10 pounds of wet clothes, it offers multiple drying modes, including cool, warm, and hot settings, making it suitable for everything from delicate garments to bulkier items like towels or sheets. The dryer reaches a maximum temperature of 140 degrees Fahrenheit, and its 850-watt heating power ensures efficient drying while remaining energy conscious. Weighing just 37.5 pounds and measuring 23.6 by 15.7 by 19.5 inches, the CD6 is lightweight, portable, and easy to store, making it a perfect choice for apartments, dorms, RVs, or areas near a home gym. Its versatile design allows for wall mounting, tabletop placement, or stacking on top of a portable washing machine, giving users flexibility in tight spaces. The dryer features a 105-degree wide-angle door for easy loading and unloading, and safety is enhanced with an automatic stop if the door is opened during operation. Yuhomi's triple-layer cotton lint filter efficiently captures lint, preventing it from scattering and keeping the laundry area clean, even for households with pets. With a timer that runs up to 200 minutes and adjustable high and low heat settings, the CD6 allows precise control over each drying cycle, while operating quietly so as not to disrupt daily routines. For those needing more capacity, Yuhomi offers larger models up to 3.5 cubic feet, as well as the newer CD51, which features a modern design and illuminated interior. ETL and DOE certified, the CD6 also comes with a complete set of installation hardware and a 1-year warranty, backed by responsive customer service. Overall, this portable dryer combines convenience, safety, and efficiency in a compact package, making it an excellent choice for small living spaces or supplemental laundry needs. Number 1. Panda Compact Portable Electric Laundry Dryer. The Panda Compact Portable Electric Dryer is an ideal solution for anyone living in small spaces who doesn't want to compromise on performance. Measuring just 19 by 15 by 23.5 inches with a 1.5 cubic foot capacity, this compact dryer can handle up to 6 pounds of laundry per load, making it perfect for apartments, dorms, or as a secondary unit near a bedroom or home gym. Despite its small size, it delivers reliable and consistent drying with its energy-efficient 850-watt motor, reaching a maximum temperature of 140 degrees Fahrenheit to ensure clothes are thoroughly dried without damaging delicate fabrics or irritating sensitive skin. Equipped with sensor drying, it prevents under- or over-drying, while multiple heat settings, including cold, warm, hot, and air-dry modes, allow customization for different fabrics and load sizes. The Panda dryer also features a 3-layer lint filter that captures hair, dust, and debris, which is easy to remove and clean, making maintenance simple. Users will also appreciate its user-friendly design, including a see-through door that opens to 105 degrees, automatic shutoff for safety, and versatile installation options, whether freestanding, stacked, or wall-mounted. Though the drying time may be slightly longer than full-size dryers depending on load size and environmental conditions, the Panda Compact Dryer consistently delivers dependable results, earning praise for its durability and quiet operation. Some users have reported using this model for 4 years without any issues, which is an impressive testament to its longevity. For those needing a larger option, Panda offers a 3.5 cubic foot variant with a 1,500-watt heater. But for most small households, the PAN760SF strikes the perfect balance of size, performance, and efficiency, proving that compact appliances can still offer big results.
If you found this video helpful, please consider giving it a thumbs up, leaving a comment, and subscribing to our channel. Don't forget to hit the notification bell icon so you never miss out on our latest videos.